Have you ever felt like your web designs could use that extra touch to really stand out? Today I'm going to reveal 3 CSS properties that you probably haven't heard of or used, but can add that special touch to your projects. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're passionate about web development and eager to learn some hidden gems, you are in the right place. Before we dive into these CSS properties, make sure to hit that like button if you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and click the bell icon so you never miss an upcoming tutorial. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite CSS property or any questions you have. Let's get started. Now, we all know that CSS is a powerhouse when it comes to styling our web pages. It is packed with properties that can make our designs pop, but some of the most powerful tools in our CSS toolkit often go unnoticed. In this video, we're going to explore 3 properties which might not be the most popular, but they can create some truly amazing effects and layouts that will make your projects stand out. Let's kick things off with the first property, backdrop filter. This property allows you to apply graphical effects such as blurring or color shifting to the area behind an element. It is a fantastic way to add depth and focus to certain parts of your design. In the first example, we have a full screen background image with a centered overlay. The overlay initially has no blur applied, but when you hover over it, the backdrop filter property applies a 10 pixel blur to the area behind it, creating a frosted glass effect. This effect is achieved using the backdrop filter property combined with a subtle background color change. As you hover over the overlay, you will notice the background image behind it smoothly blurs, highlighting the text within the overlay. This example shows how backdrop filter can be used to enhance the visual appeal of your web designs, providing a modern and stylish look. Now let's move on to the second example of the backdrop filter property. In this example, we have a card with an image and some text overlaying it. The overlay initially applies a grayscale effect to the background. When you hover over the overlay, the grayscale effect is removed, revealing the full color of the background image. This transition is achieved using the backdrop filter grayscale function. The interactive experience created by this example demonstrates how you can use backdrop filter to create dynamic and engaging visuals that respond to user interactions. With this effect, we create a striking visual effect that draws attention to the content. Next, let's dive into the Mix Blend Mode property. This property allows you to blend the content of an element with the content of its background in various ways, creating unique visual effects. For our first example, we have a background video with text overlaid on top. When you hover over the text, the Mix Blend Mode property activates, changing the blend mode to lighten. This effect makes the lighter parts of the text stand out against the video, resulting in a striking dynamic look. Now let's move on to the second example of the Mix Blend Mode property. In this example, we have a container with a background gradient and a moving text overlay. The text overlay uses the Mix Blend Mode property with a value difference. This blend mode creates a high contrast effect by inverting the background colors where the text overlaps. The text moves smoothly across the screen, creating a dynamic visual effect that changes as it passes over different parts of the background. These 2 examples demonstrate the flexibility of the Mix Blend Mode property in crafting visually compelling and interactive designs. Now let's explore our third property, Clip Path. This property allows you to clip an element to a basic shape or a complex polygon, creating interesting visual effects and enhancing the visual appeal of your web designs. First, we have a simple interactive element that changes shape on hover. The element starts with a small circular clip path that reveals just a small portion of the content using Clip Path Circle function. When you hover over the element, the clip path expands to a larger circle, revealing more of the content and changing the background color. This transition creates a dynamic visual effect that changes the shape and appearance of the element based on user interactions. This example shows how you can use clip path to create unique and interactive designs that enhance the user experience. For our second example, we have an interactive gallery. The gallery contains 4 boxes arranged in a 2x2 grid, each with an icon. Initially, each box has a rectangular clip path. As you move the cursor over a box, the clip path property changes dynamically based on the cursor position, creating a sliding effect from either the left or right. This example demonstrates how clip path can be used to create engaging and visually appealing designs that respond to user interactions. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you found these CSS properties as exciting and useful as I do. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite CSS property or any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.